everyone, welcome to the channel. This is GCSE Maths exam sprint series. Here's another question. Pause the video and give it a try. This question is a relatively easy one, but many students do not realize what topic this is. They just do it using different methods, which can work, but takes a lot more time and can be a little confusing in the exams. So this topic is two-way tables. So let's draw a two-way table for this question, and then you'll see how easy it is to analyze it using this. Now in a two-way table, now you can see there are two groups here, or two subjects here, maths and science. So remember, you need to add two more columns on top of the number of things. So you have 2 here, add 2. So we need 4 columns like this. Because here we are going to put the groups, year 10, year 11, and at the end we are going to put the total. So here we put total always, and here also we put the word total, and here we put the subject, maths, then science, and then here we put the groups, year 10 and year 11. So again, here most questions you have male and female. Sometimes I've seen exam questions like certain number of male and female, and then they have a gym membership or swimming, or people who have been to certain countries, or things like that. These are like really common GCSE exam style questions. Now some questions, they give you a table, right? So obviously this is a two-way table question. They are easier. Sometimes like this one, they don't. And sometimes students get the right answer without using a table. That can be done. Not that it is not possible. It's just a harder way of doing it, and you're less likely to get it wrong if you use a table. Now let's try and complete the data. 60 of the students are in year 10. Okay, so year 10, the total is 60. Now we know the total number of students is 100. The total of everything, the maximum, the biggest number always goes here in the bottom right hand side, this one here. Now we did this one. 25 year 10 students prefer maths. Okay, year 10 maths, that's 25. 20 year 11 students prefer maths. Okay, so year 11 math students, 20. Now we need to find the rest of the numbers. Now that's actually quite easy. So here you got 60, 100, obviously that's 40. 20 add 25 gives me 45. So if that's 45, obviously that should be 55. That's easy. Now you can see these two numbers should add up to 40. So 20 add 20 is 40. Now these two numbers add up to 55. 25 add 35 gives you 60. So all the numbers are okay. Now the question is, what is the probability that the student is in year 11 and prefers science? So science and year 11. So that is 20. So the probability is 20 over total of 100. You don't need to necessarily simplify it, but you can if you want. So that's 1/5 is the answer.